Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a MetaMask account on your laptop. First, open your web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or Edge. Then, navigate to the official MetaMask website and find the download link for the browser extension. Click to add it to your browser, and remember to pin the Fox icon for quick access. This ensures you can easily manage your crypto assets and interact with Web3 applications with just one click. Now that the extension is installed, click the MetaMask Fox icon in your browser toolbar. Select Get Started and then choose Create a Wallet. You'll need to agree to the terms of use to proceed. Next, create a strong, unique password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. This is the most critical step, securing your secret recovery phrase. MetaMask will show you a 12-word phrase. Write it down precisely as it appears, word for word, on a piece of paper. Do not store it digitally. Keep multiple copies in different secure, private places. Remember, anyone with this phrase can access your funds, so never, ever share it with anyone, under any circumstances. To finalize, you'll need to confirm your secret recovery phrase. Select the words in the correct order to prove you've recorded them accurately. Once confirmed, click All Done. Congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet is now set up and ready to use. You can now send, receive, and store various cryptocurrencies and interact with decentralized applications securely and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.